color, green color, orange color,
Old MacDonald had a farm. He
red
had
color,